Wir hatten eine Ausschreibung initiiert.
We initiated a tender and Jungheinrich submitted the best concept. Lithium-ion technology is sustainable and forward-looking, especially in terms of occupational safety, shorter charging cycles and lower power consumption. Orafol is a leading global manufacturer of innovative print products, reflective materials and adhesive tape systems. At this production site in Oranienburg, on approximately 250,000 square meters of space, we produce for customers in over 100 countries around the world. Around 1,100 employees work here at the site, and we have approximately 2,500 employees worldwide. Orafol approached us with a tender with the premise of making the fleet sustainable and fit for the future. Orafol as a customer is special in that we were able to offer a large number of products from our portfolio, meaning that they use everything from standard hand pallet trucks to low-lift and high-lift trucks, as well as electric forklifts and 2 narrow aisle trucks. Together with the customer, we decided on a rental option for this project. We provide the customer with the trucks and the corresponding full service. As a result, the customer has predictable rates every month and hardly any tied-up capital, unlike before, as Orafol had previously always purchased the equipment. Our primary concern was to reduce the high downtime quota, and we did with this new fleet. One of the advantages for us is, of course, the calculable monthly costs. Secondly, our shift supervisors have access to the call for service system, which allows them to report damages directly to Jungheinrich and have it repaired without delay. Each of the replaced vehicles are fitted with lithium-ion technology, except the explosion-proof trucks. We were interested in a future-oriented technology that is maintenance-free and no longer requires our staff to handle heavy metals or acids. We use our lithium-ion vehicles in several shifts, from single-shift operation in incoming goods under full load to 4 shifts. In this 4-shift system, it is much more effective to work with a lithium-ion than with a lead-acid battery, as the new charging cycles are easier to handle in daily operation. And thanks to opportunity charging, we achieve a higher availability of the equipment. In recent years, we set up an on-site Jungheinrich workshop. This way we can permanently solve problems we might have with our trucks and avoid arranging transportation for damaged equipment, and it enables us to take care of problems immediately on-site.
Der Service bei Jungheinrich ist für uns elementar.
Service at Jungheinrich is essential for us. It is not only very important, but also very reliable. This helps us to pursue and ultimately also realize our growth targets. We can definitely recommend Jungheinrich. They work very professionally, are very constructive, and we've had very good experiences in terms of the many years we've been working together.